say?
Wait.
Huh?
Wait,
They were
is that
downstairs in the boat. I don't know. I wouldn't do that if I were you. Don't start touching things. It's a video. We're going down in the bottom of the boat. It has a glass bottom. You can see the water going by. We're going by really fast now. It probably works better when it's going really slow, like earlier. Yeah. We're going fast now, as you can see. There's a Golf under us. Go on the other side. We'll have to come back down here later when the boat slows down so we can see through the bottom of the Gulf. That'll be awesome. Alright, let's go back upstairs to the Dolphin. Hey Jenna, you having fun? Cool. Look out the window. It's Jenna on the ceiling. Me. Jenna. Jenna. Here's the Golf. A little choppy today, but not bad considering there's a hurricane on the other side of Florida. Here's Christian and Violet having a good time outside. Let's watch them for a little bit, see what they're doing out there. We're still looking for more dolphins. We got lucky enough earlier to be able to see about, I'd say at least 20 dolphins. That was pretty cool. It's just little pieces, but what happens is we're going so fast, the water is moving fast past it, so you can't see anything through the glass. Later when he stops the boat or goes slow, we'll be able to see stuff. So it'll be cool. Looks like Violet's having a good time out there. Her hair blowing in the wind. Violet loves this place. She thinks this is a new home. She's going to be disappointed when I tell her we have to move back to Harrisonburg on Saturday. She says she's got a new house and a new car and she's ready to live here, so maybe we can make it happen one day. Look, Daddy's having a banana for a snack. Huh?
Yeah, you should be on the Weather Channel.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That would be a good job.
Reporting professionally.
Reporting live. It's Miss Jenna Colleen.
Brian.
My beautiful baby.
Brian.
My baby bear. So beautiful. Alrighty. Let's check out the waves here. Whoa!
Bro, I'm about to fall.
Oh, I know, I almost did.
I was about to fall in this hole.
Beautiful day. Alright. Reporting live from Destin, Florida. Peace.